Well, we got that weekend out of the way. How are y'all, trader nerds? Welcome in. I am Dr. Bobby Gaines, aka Sweet Bobby, and I am a little bit sweet and sour today because Tasty Trade made me, well, not Tasty Trade, Thinkorswim made me really mad today. Not Thinkorswim, but the Schwab folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm about to tell you is different from what they told Ed. But the fact is, hey, Liza, the fact is that they told me something different than Ed means they still don't know. So here's what I was going in. Let me just show y'all. Can y'all see everything? So we were going in to this new account that I've told you that we're going to be trading, right? And it's open through Charles Schwab, and this is an IRA. Okay, so it's an IRA account. And we were going in to apply for options permissions. And so the current level that they give you is moderate risk, where you can buy calls or puts like all the morons out there do. You can do cover strategies, growth, income, and speculation. Or you could apply for increased risk, which allows you to do spreads. Okay. Look what it says over here, unlimited risk, short uncovered, sell calls or puts without owning the security. Well, we know what it is. Look at this. Not eligible with this account. It's just an IRA, y'all. So I said, oh no, I should call the friendly folks at Charles Schwab. So I called them over the weekend. And well, nobody's here to answer that question for you right now. How about you call in on Monday? Okay, so I called in today. And I said, yeah, we got to get this figured out. We got an IRA that's going to be open. But I said, more importantly, this. I said, I already trade 2 IRAs with TD Ameritrade on the Thinkorswim platform. I am eligible and currently able to sell naked puts and naked calls. When you guys complete the takeover of TD Ameritrade, will I, Sweet Bobby, still be able to conduct business as usual, or must I regress to the Neanderthal way of you guys and only be able to trade spreads? They transferred me to the people that supposedly know, and they told me that I would be allowed to hold any positions that I had already acquired. But once the takeover of Schwab into TD Ameritrade is complete, I would not be able to execute any new naked positions in IRAs accounts. And I said, I am about to tell the world, and there's a lot of us that are going to be moving accounts from TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Thinkorswim, whoever you want to call it, over to Tasty. So then I called Tasty today and just said, hey, listen, I need to be able to buy treasury bills. And they said, well, call us and we might work with you on it. So I'm going to work with them and hopefully be able to buy treasuries without having to pay them a fee. We shall see. I don't know. Or I may have to do that bill thing that some of you guys are doing. I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy today. I'm not happy for change. I don't want to change. But I am a survivor, and I will change if necessary. So screw you, Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade, nanny boo-boo on you, and not eligible with this account. So that's quite a bit of money that we will be moving from Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade into Tasty. So what does that mean for me? Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep my little account here, my margin account, my little $25,000 account at TD or not. I'm not sure. I may just punish them and take them all out. But apparently this one will still be able to do what it's been able to do. We shall see, right? We shall see. We don't know yet. But I'm definitely moving my 2 IRAs out. So I will open no new trades in the IRA accounts. The IRA accounts are dead to me. They're dead. I will be shutting them down and hopefully get them transferred over to Tasty by next week, because next week is fall break. And we may take the week off next week for fall break. So Sweet Bobby can have a week of rest and relaxation. we might even do something. I don't know. We may do some day trips or something with the family. So we shall see. But I am very mad at our Charles Schwab people. And, oh, nothing's going to change. Everything's going to be just whatever. You bunch of socialists. You bunch of damn socialists. Sorry. Anyway, I should not have said the bad word. Father, forgive me. All right, so let's see how our little accounts are doing today. Let's go to the Tasty account first. Well, first of all, let's look at their stupid charting system that we use and see how the markets are doing. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this volume, 8,500. I would say that's 1.5 times what we normally see. Market's down 0.5%. VIX has now crossed the 18 threshold. And wow, how about this? But it's still what we call an inside day. Look at this. It's up, it's down, it's up and down. It's a range day, not a trend day. So with that, let's see what the big green monster looks like. Oh, we got to draw a big green monster, don't we? Y'all ready to do that? So let's go to the clean chart. Go to ES. Let's take this off. It is the first trading day of October. So we will use, get all these off here. Remove drawing. We will use September to draw October numbers. So let's see if we remember how to do it, because sometimes I forget, because I just took my second Adderall for the day. All right, so there we go. And we will draw the low to the high. So we'll go, what the crap? What the crap? There we go, edit properties. All right. So the low is 42.77 even, 42.77. And the high is 45.66. 45.66. Okay, nice. And here we go. All right, so now how do we do it? I forgot. Let's see. It's a matter of doing something. Let's see. Something, other. Oh, here we go. We go get this extension tool and we draw from the 50 to the center of that little thingy-majig. And then we go up to the 100 or to the 0 in this case. Almost had it. There we go. Bingo. All right, now what do we do? Well, now we take this little thing, fix this, and we take activate it, and we take the 0 line to the 200 line, just like so. And we take the 100 line to the start of that little extension. We hit the escape key. We delete this. And if you're watching this for the first time, I know it is. You're like, what the crap is he doing? So we're using October for, no, we're using September for Oct. And we're going to make them all green. Select color for all curves is green, 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 green. There we go. Now let's go back to volume profile. And we got a fresh little chart here. So let's see how we're doing. I said we got, here we go. So we got a fresh little chart. So we are fairly priced today. We have the point of control there, which is a magnet. We have the 42.64, which is a magnet. And fairly priced. We do have some gaps up here that we may try to visit at some point. But for right now, I think we're just fairly priced, probably with a target of 42.64. That's what I think. Let's look at the linear regression that we sometimes look at. And where is my linear regression? Here we go. Linear regression. There we go. So linear regression looks like we are flattening still. We are below the 100, the 200, I mean the 50, the 100 moving day averages, and it's just continuing to flatten out. Volume's elevated in the move down. So we'll see if we continue to go down. I would think that we might go down just a little bit more based on what we're seeing here. We may at least go down to the 42.64. Okay. But does it matter? No, it really doesn't matter, does it? So let's see how our little account's doing today. So let's see. Let's go here. And our Tasty Trade account is at 37,779. 37,779. So let's put that in. 37,779. 37,779. Are you kidding me? So praise the Lord Jesus.
Well, we're moving on now to the side to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Up just a little bit. All right. So that's weird, isn't it? Let's see what our Greeks and ratios are today. All right. So if you missed the Muscadine Mafia session on Friday, oh wow, did y'all miss something? Everybody shared so much, it was really, really good. So we're at 220, 136. How do you get into that? You join the Muscadine Mafia. That's how. 220 and 136. Let's put that in there. 220, 136. Good. 136. And we know that the thingamajig is 18. Not 183, but 18. Okay. And our buying power usage is 28,601. Wow, we're using 75%. Whoa, I love it. 28,601. Wow, look at that. 28,601.36 there. I'm gonna fix this for a second, y'all. It looks like my thing is finally, was it saving or not saving? Come on, save. Save, dang it. It's not saving. Anyway, 75%, 36%. I can trim that off a little bit. I think I will. Let's go over here a little bit. Let's look at our positions and let's look at what we got going on here. We got some hedges on here that are in there. And let's see if we can figure out some of these naked stuff. And does it really matter if it's naked or if it's whatever? No, it really doesn't. This is 65% profitable. Let's just take a little bit off the top. Close position. Close that down for $2 or 5 cents. Let's see. Just taking a little bit off the top, y'all. I don't even care if these are put debit spreads. I don't care what these are. I'm just taking off some naked positions just to get the delta down, get the little theta down a little bit. That one says 39% with 18 days to go. Let's take that off. Just get things off a little bit. See, close at 305, just a little bit. And it's not like I've got to like, oh, I got to take it all off at one time. Let's just take a little bit off. Activity working. Here we go. Let's go up to 310. Just trimming some stuff. Trimming some stuff. Not good enough, Bob. Go to 315. All right, let's see what else we got here. So positions again, we've got 18-day positions here. Well, I could really take some stuff off there, couldn't I? Let's just take this off. Well, let's take the one that's 66% up. Let's just close in a little bit here and there. Doing what little Bobby does. Little Bobby does. Wow, that's a big difference in it. 7 to 7.25. Probably won't get filled at 7, but we're gonna try it. We'll go up 7.25 to get out of those. And we're out. So now we're at 193, 111. Let's see how much good we did. 193, 111. Yeah, that's good. 193, 111. And we took our buying power down from 91.78 to 67%. Look at that. 25,653. 25,653. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go to our other little account. This one, yeah, and see what we're doing today. So today is 10/2/23. It's October, the month of Nick Saban's birth, which we need to pause on the 31st and Halloween and say happy birthday to Nick Saban when it eventually comes. So here we are at 24,503, 24,503. 24,503, down just a little bit. Okay, and let's do our stuff-a-ma-jigs. Here we go. So our Greeks and ratios are 72.27, 72.27. Hope everybody had a good weekend, by the way. It was a great weekend here. Lots of rest. Buying power usage is, we were at 14,000, now we're at 14,860. about the same. Now, let's see if we have to close any trades. Doesn't look like it that we're getting any trade signals here. And on this account, I'm like, I don't know, man. I think I may leave this account with them. I don't know. Just to have one with them. I need to punish them and take them all, I guess, but I guess I'll leave this one until they change something on regular margin accounts. But this one looks pretty good. I don't see anything in specifically that we need to do. I think we just need to hold our positions, right? We're at 60% buying power. We know that's a possibility. I don't think that there's anything to do. Plus, I don't like closing these things when they're not profitable either. And the market's been going against us. So our naked puts, look at this. All of these, I bet, are losers right now. Yep. See, 51, 68, 78, 85, 86, 90, 98, 105. But nothing that you would go, oh, it's a 200% winner, loser, Bobby, take it off. It's nothing like that. All of our positions are safe. Let's see what our deltas are. Option delta, right? So we are at 16, 18, 19, 20. So nothing's at 30 delta. There's nothing to do. Just wait. Just wait. So anyway, the key today is in the other accounts, we're going to start paring things down. Let's see if there's something that I can start closing down because I need to, and I hate to trade all 4 accounts today, but let's just look and see if we go to the IRA account. Let's at least go to the IRA. Here it goes, IRA, and see if there's stuff that needs to be taken off. See this? Yes. Right. We're at the point of like, hey, Bob, take some stuff off, get this crap off, and let's move our account over to Tasty. So why don't we do a couple of those? Let's just start paring it down. So let's go to the Crimson, no, to this one, right? So let's start taking some stuff off. Here's our, well, if we're going to do it right, Bobby. Let's see how this account's doing. Net lick is 88,864, 88,864. 88,864. 88,864. Praise the Lord Jesus.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
What's wrong with Rico and the band? They haven't just been having a lot of trouble lately. All right, let's see what our Greeks and ratios are here. Not that it matters because I'm going to be closing everything, but 196, 126. 196, 126. 196, 126. This is at 18. Let's see what our buying power is over here. We are at 42,300. 42,300. And again, let's go to the trade tab. It says we can take off the 4 of the 4,100. Oh boy, we got a lot of 4,100s. Let's see, with 18 days left. 4,100s, we got 8 of those. We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 4,100s we could take off. Wow. Waka waka. Let's go over here. Find our nakeds. All right. And the only reason I'm taking them off, y'all, is I got to get out of these. I'm not staying here. I'm like, screw it. Let's get out of this crap. Let's see. P&L percentage. 187%. Oh, let's put debit spreads. Hold on. Here's our naked puts. Sorry to say, 100%. Here we go. So here's 2 of the 4,100s. Create closing order, 1325. I just think, I'm not going to be in a big hurry to get out of them. Let's close those at 13. And just starts closing something a little bit every day. Let's do that instead. I was just going to close it all and get out. Okay, we're out of that at 13. So let's put that in our pipe and smoke it. Come here, little baby. Come here. Get off that, dang it! Dang it! We got out of that at 13. Let's see if we got Applebee's money. Starting the week off right, 10/2/23. So we made, y'all, a little bit. We made $99.12 on that. I'll take that. And I think that's the case. Why don't we just do that? We'll just close them off kind of short and sweet, a little bit by little bit. Yep, we got some 4150s we can close here. Might as well do this one too, right? 10-2. Since I'm closing them down. Don't have to be in a hurry on this one. So, Bobby Beth 2030. Let's see what we're at here today. We are at, we're doing so good in this account too. 27,762. 27,762. Down just a little bit. So two of our accounts was up, one of them down $20. Let's go here. Look at our Greeks and ratios, even though they don't matter, I guess, because we're getting out of stuff. And I can't buy T-bills tomorrow either if I'm leaving these son of a guns, right? So let's go here. And we're at 60-30. 60-30. 30. And VIX is at 18, we said, just barely. And the buying power over here is 12, say 13,000. 13,000. Beautiful. So we're using 46%. Oh man, that account looks so good too. I hate to start taking these things off, but I got to. All right, so we'll close the 4150s with 18 days to go. Two of those. 4150s with 18 days to go. Where's it at? Naked futures. All right, so P&L percentage is, there's the 4150s. Oh man, so some of these we're gonna have to actually be closing for losers, aren't we? Okay, that's fine. I mean, it is what it is. I gotta get out. $19. We'll just get out slowly. So we got out of this at $19. We may have made a penny on it. Let's see. $19, 10, 2, 3, and we made $1 or $2. Let's see. Okay, $6.62, baby. How does Bobby do it?
Dang it, Bobby.
Dang it, Bobby, you daggone right. All right, good session, y'all. So we'll just close these down over the coming days. We'll hopefully get our accounts open back up over at Tasty by next week. And sayonara, y'all. So if you tried to open a new naked position in the IRA, would toss rejected? No. Glenn, they have not confiscated these accounts yet. But what they basically told me is, we're coming. And when we do, you're going to be bound by Schwab stuff. Now, they told Ed the exact opposite. They told Ed, oh, no, we'll be, and I'm like, the fact that they don't know for sure, I ain't taking any chances. I am getting the heck out of Dodge while the getting is good. All right, y'all. Good session. I will see y'all tomorrow.